Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia back with yet another wig review. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into the video. So today's video is sponsored by a company called Donmily Hair. They were generous enough to send me a 22-inch body wave closure unit that has a scalp-like closure, which means that you don't have to put any makeup or customize it. The lace is pre-customized and pre-plucked, which basically means all you have to do is get up and pop this on. So the specs about this wig, it's adjustable. It has the 3 combs in the back and in the sides as standard caps come. And it also has the adjustable strap way in the back. So I've already had my hair braided. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this unit on. And this is a body wave unit, 150% density, and it's 100% human hair, super full, which I love. And the hair is pretty dark also. So my first impression on this unit was, it's ready to wear straight out of the packaging. The shipping was really fast. I believe I got this unit from the time they messaged me to the time I received it was about 2 to 3 days. They do have a warehouse in the US, which means that you'll get your packages super fast instead of having to wait for them to come overseas. So just to throw that out there and get that out the way. So as always, you guys know I will add all the information down below in the description box, but I'm just trying this unit on and I did go ahead and adjust the straps just a tiny bit because I have a smaller size head. I do wear a cap size that's 22 inches in circumference, so I just had to adjust this just a tiny bit just so that way it fit. And all I'm using, guys, is the 2 combs in the sides that are by the ear tabs and the 1 comb in the back that is also in like by the nape area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my shears and I'm gonna go ahead and start to cut that lace and then lay this the way that I want to. You just want to be sure that anytime you're cutting the lace, you take your time. You don't want to accidentally cut into the hairline, so you just want to take your time with each section. I typically like to cut one side first, either the left or the right, and then I'll go in, look at the front, make sure it's still lined up, and I just cut off the excess lace on the other side. So this is how she looks straight out of the packaging. I have not curled this or done anything to it, and I am going to go ahead and get off this voiceover in just a few minutes, but overall, this hair was super bomb. I ended up making a Instagram video and a reel, and took a whole bunch of selfies, and you guys really received this unit well. So I am definitely feeling this unit. Look how long this is, super full, and it has no shedding whatsoever. Okay, so originally I wasn't even gonna speak in this video, but because this wig is so motherfucking bomb, I decided to go ahead and just give you guys a little bit of me just speaking, not doing a voiceover. I just put a little bit of the fanola oil on my hands just because it had a tiny bit of static just because of the packaging. But this hair, this scalp, look at this. Amazing. I'm putting a little bit of oil on it just to get these curls under control so they're not frizzy. But honey, she's looking beautiful. This is like one of the first wigs that I can wear straight out of the packaging. No curls, nothing. Like, I have not done anything to this hair. Look how well preserved these curls are. Like, Donmily was goody. I'm like, I feel like such a freaking princess in this. I'm about to take some selfies. And that was not even the goal for today. This hair is so beautiful. Like, I'm ready to go home and show out. Move the stem just a tiny bit. Okay, so now that part's over, be sure to check out Donmily. I will tag the information down below. Let me know if you guys like this unit. Do you prefer body wave units or straight units? Also, you guys know I had to do the flip test, and when I tell you this wig was super secure, guys, I didn't even have these clips in all the way. This wig was not moving. I was wilding so much. You guys can see the other footage on my IG, but I love a secure unit that's not too tight and that does not give you headaches. This is a ready-to-wear wig, which is ideal for beginners. You can pop this on and literally be ready to go anywhere without having to worry about curling it, styling it, trying to make sure that it looks right. It's going to look right, fresh out of the packaging, which I love. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just going to sit here and flex. Of course, I'm feeling myself. I haven't done my makeup in forever, so I was just feeling like a baddie this day. Shout out to Donmily for reaching out to me. And if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't already made it this far. Thank you guys so much for 150K subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let me flex on the end, y'all. Bye.